Accelerated Lesson 7-4, Part 2. In this part of your lesson, you're going to be working on the do you understand, do you know how, and practice and problem solving questions. So what we're going to do is we're going to work this a little bit differently. I'd like for you to start on page 411, and I'd like for you to try questions 2 through 6. Once you finish with questions 2 through 6, then I want you to start the video again. So pause it while you're working, restart the video, and check your answers. So you're going to work independently first. Okay, the video is going to be paused. And then I want you to come back and check your answers. So what I'm going to do is on the next slide, you're going to see the answers and the work that go along with those questions numbered 2 through 6 on page 411. And then we'll go on and try some more from the practice and problem solving page. Go ahead and check your answers and solutions to questions 2 through 6. If you still have questions about how these problems got solved, then please come see me and ask for help before you move on to the next set of questions. Now I'd like for you to try some of the practice and problem solving questions. Because this lesson is a little bit longer, we probably won't do all of these, but I think it's a good idea if we get started and at least try the first few together to make sure that you've got the hang of it before you go on to your assignment. So on page 412, I'd like for you to try 7 through 11 and then come back and check your answers. In number 7, once you take 33x from each side of the equation, what you end up with is 99 on the left and a negative 99 on the right. Since those two numbers are never going to be equal to each other, the equation has no solutions. In number 8, once you apply the distributive property to the left and you combine like terms on the right, you end up with the equation 16x plus 12 equals 16x plus 12. Since those two expressions will always be equal, this equation has infinitely many solutions. Since 0 equals 0 is a true statement, then number 9 must be an equation that has infinitely many solutions. Now let's look at number 10. Since 5x plus 4 equals 5x plus 4, when you simplify by combining like terms on the left side and the right side of the equal sign, then the equation in number 10 also has infinitely many solutions. In number 11, considering the two dry cleaners' prices and the expressions that represent them, the expression for store A, 15x minus 2, equals store B, 3 times the quantity 5x plus 7, results in the equation 15x minus 2 equals 15x plus 21. There is no solution to this equation because there is no value of x that will ever make that expression equal to the other expression. Now I'd like for you to go to page 413 and try questions 13, 14, 16, and 18. Again, you can pause the video while you're working and then come back and check your answers. Okay, go ahead and check your answers to questions 13, 14, 16, and 18. If you have questions, please ask. And last but not least, let's try on page 414, questions 20 through 25. Again, pause the video while you're working, and then come back and check your answers to see how you did. If you need help, you need to come ask, please, before you get to your assignment. Here are the answers to 20, 22, and 24. I apologize that they're out of order, but this is the easiest way for you to be able to see the questions and the work that goes with them. On the next piece of this, then I'll show you 21, 23, and 25. So go ahead and check your answers to 20, 22, and 24. And then we'll switch over to the right side of your paper and look at 21, 23, and 25. All right, and here are those last three questions, 21, 23, and 25. Again, pause the video if you need to so that you can see and copy down any work that you may have missed or make corrections in your book as needed. If you still need help, then please come see me before you start your assignment.